Alright, hello rock stars. This is Mark Gray from TWIM. Now, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you can speed up the moving process if you have a domain that you have transferred from GoDaddy to Namecheap, okay? And in my last video, which I'll have somewhere around here at the bottom, probably in the description, now you want to speed this up. So just let me jump to my screen so you can see all these emails now. I'm going to go through them one at a time, okay? So I got this email and it's telling me that I have to renew this domain that I've had for like 7 or 8 years, I think, for €22. So I'm just fed up of GoDaddy and I decided, okay, I'm going to transfer this domain over to Namecheap where I have all of my other domains. Okay, now unfortunately, I have like 6 or 7 actual Namecheap accounts. I just kept making them, which was kind of stupid, really, but that's just how it is for me. So anyway, I got this email, €22. Now that's probably about $25, and I transferred it over to Namecheap and I only had to pay $13 with tax. So I saved some money. So that this was the first email that I got. Now, as we went through, you'll see in the video below that I got the authorization code to move it. Okay, that's done. I obviously paid for the domain and it was $13. So, saving money already. This is again just a receipt from PayPal. Okay, nothing interesting there. Now this is interesting. Okay, so your domain transfer is ready to go. So the domain's ready to go. All right, Namecheap are ready to take that domain. What GoDaddy do though is they're ready to auto renew my domain in 5 days, I believe, or 6 days. Now that would mean that I would have to pay double if I didn't go in and do what I'm about to do now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in and I'm going to speed up the process of the transfer from my domain from GoDaddy to Namecheap. All right, I hope this makes sense. If you're in this position, you will understand what I mean. So you want to go to GoDaddy, you want to log into your account. I'm just going to check that I am logged in. So you can even see at the top here, there was a banner saying that I need to pay 22, whatever, 22.99, 23.99 in the next 5 days. There you go. Here it is here. So they would charge me this, all right? But I've already moved the domain. But I was maybe a bit late with doing that. So now I'm just going to click on the actual domain what I want to get to. So it might look a little different for you guys, but really what we're looking to do is we're looking to find the domain settings. So this is not the exact part. This is the part that you want to be at, all right? You want to be here so you can get this black button, all right? And once you click this black button, so remember, the domain I'm moving is a long time domain I've had for various projects, twim.net, and I want to move it across. So what I want to do is I want to look across and I want to go to transfers. Now remember that GoDaddy were telling me that this may take between 3 or 5 and 7 days, right? So that's cutting it close for me. I would maybe have had to pay double, but what you can do is you go where I've just taken you, click transfers out, and then it says here, if you guys can see this, the status. So you can see below me now the everything there. So it's saying the domain, which is twim.net. It's saying initiated. So this is when I initiated the transfer to Namecheap, but my domain would automatically renew on the 18th with GoDaddy. if I hadn't done this. Now that's making it a little bit tight because you can even see here these transfers are in progress. Most transfers complete within 5 to 7 days. To speed up the process, you can approve the transfer. It should then complete within 15 to 30 minutes. So I don't know why they don't just do that in the first place. Again, it's a stalling tactic. It's to maybe make you pay more, and it's just another reason that, sorry, I don't like GoDaddy. Okay, hopefully GoDaddy don't put any ads in this video because I'm saying these things about it. So it says in progress. Now let's go and approve this transfer. And once it's approved, okay, brilliant, transfer to GoDaddy. Okay, that's it done. So now we know that our domain is it's completely moved over from GoDaddy to Namecheap. All right. I hope that helped, guys. Any questions, stick them below. Happy to help.